decide it. Think about it. Even before today, I've been thinking about it. How can Obato have all this cabinet and select only 4 people? My brother, this guy is suffer from the hand of the people. And I thank God. You see sometimes, when God make you to pass through fire, that is when God want to give you certain right people to work with you. God already select the people that will work with Obatobe. Obatobe is going to come out. If he come out now, Obatobe will not find it difficult any longer. Because those idiots, God has already pushed them away. Because of his faithfulness, that Obatobe brought this agitation. That is the reason why God don't want his labor to go in vain. Yes. God has already selected for them. God has already selected for them.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you. So we can.
There's another thing that I want to, there's another thing I want to say.
Okay.
Concerning there's the first thing he said, I think it concerns our Igbo people.
Mm-hmm.
I said it in one of the conference call that my brother, you see, let me tell you, the truth of it is that Igbo people want Biafra for mouth, but they don't need Biafra for heart.
Okay.
Igbo people, they want Biafra for mouth, but they don't need Biafra for heart. They don't want to fight and get Biafra. I used to say it. Hausa man, Funane, Nigeria government, Yoruba are not the problem of Igbo people. The problem of Igbo people is Igbo people. All these people right now, they are giving gun, Obubago and all these people. Where are they before today? Is it only this gun, the government, the East governors, is it only this gun they have for this our youth? What is another plan? What is another work instruction they have to empower this our youth, then carry gun kids? What is another plan, another instruction they have to tell you that our youth are idiots? Some of our youth are idiots. They don't even reason. The lazy youth we have in Southeast. They give you gun because election is coming. Because these people are disturbing their government. For them to not fulfill what they want, then call you and be paying you either 50,000 or 100,000 or 200,000. After 4 months, after the start finish, then dump you. You started life afresh. Your children started suffering. They don't think. The problem of Igbo people is Igbo. Yoruba is not our problem. Hausa are not our problem. Our problem is Igbo people. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you so much. This issue of Igbo people we're talking about is a different program. So that's why I don't want to say much about it. We may come back for that later. Thank you and God bless you. And we have somebody that called before. So just like I said, let me see how many people that we call on this program, because we have few calls to take. We have spent a lot of time trying to analyze this video. I had a call before. Who was that? Okay, please, if you've called before, you want to call again, this is time you can call now. Egu John said, trust on God's with his heart. With her heart? I don't know. Okay, he said, let me take it again. Where's Egu John? Ekpa trusted, okay, Ekpa trusted. So now I get it. Dixon. Hello?
Hello.